So guys, right now I'm planning to trade on Axis Bank. So I shall buy this stock right now around 5,000 quantity.
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos from my channel.
So guys, today is 17th of June and the time is almost 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market has opened today. So going to the pre-open market page, yes, today the Nifty is opening in a gap down section, 0.76% down. It's opening at 15,648.30. Advanced stocks are only 6 and declines are 42 and unchanged is only 2 stocks. So now let's see the stock which is opening the most gap up section, that is Power Grid with the 0.78% up and Bharti Airtel with 0.51% up. And now let's see the stock which is opening in the most gap down section, that is Adani Ports with 3.35% down and Bajaj Finance with 2.66% down. Okay, so yes, so this is how the pre-open market is opening today. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And before that, if you're new to my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be amazing. And also if you're new to a stock market trading and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. So you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. Okay, so you can watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also you can see my live trade what we do today.
So guys, there is so much of advantages and benefits what you can get from angel broking. Okay, so there is a bit of an offer going on. Okay, so you guys can open the angel broking account by clicking the link in the description below of this video. So you get a free trading account. Okay, so when you use my link in the description below of the video and open an account with angel broking, you get absolute free trading account, and there is lot of benefits what you get. The first thing is the brokerage is very less. Okay, and as you know, angel broking is a full-time broker with a lot of facilities what you get. Okay, and there's only rupees 20 per trade taken, and also you get one more good advantage, that is you get margins for your delivery trades. Yes, so whatever capital you have, you get up to 4 times for margin trading. That is, for the holding trades you get up to 4 times margin. And once you open your account in angel broking by using the link in the description below of this video, you will be added to my private telegram channel where I share stock news and market facts and lot of interesting things. Okay, so if you guys want to be a part of my private telegram channel, you can open the link and sign up for an angel broking account, or if you have an angel broking account, you can use the upstock account link which I've given. So you can open any of this both account, and once you open an account, message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen with the details, and I'll be adding you to my private telegram channel. So make sure you get these benefits.
So guys, right now I'm planning to trade on Axis Bank. So I shall buy this stock right now around 5,000 quantity in the market level around 742. So yes, we have bought it now, and now let's wait for the stock to come up. So Axis Bank, we have bought it around 742.
So guys, yes, if you guys can see, we have bought the Axis Bank now, and it's going near 743 now. Okay, so yes, today is an expiry day of Nifty and Bank Nifty, so we need to be very careful. The stocks can fluctuate anytime, and the trends can change anytime in a day. And also, you can see the market depth there. The numbers of sellers are still higher in the stock, but still, I thought this is going to break its resistance now around 743. So if it's going to break that, then it will easily go till 745 or 746. So that's the reason why I bought the Axis Bank stock, and we are still holding to the buy position of Axis Bank. So now let's see how the stock will perform. Okay, so as I said, you will book a quick profit and exit. And also you can see at the top left, the market is also down today, almost 0.50% down, half a percent down. So we need to be very careful and take our quick decisions and make the exit very quick at a decent profit. And As I said you today, it's an expiry day, so the market can be very volatile and it can change its direction anytime in a day in the afternoon. So that's why anyway I'm in a buy position right now. So once it goes above like 0.5% or something, we'll just book a profit and exit, and then we'll see how the market will perform today. So right now we are still holding the Axis Bank. It will take some time to come up.
So guys, yes, if you guys can see now, this is the end of the day chart of Axis Bank. So it closed around 738.60. Okay, so as you guys know, today it was an expiry day. So I said you this, anything in the market direction can change. Okay, so in the expiry days, you need to be very careful when you're doing a trade in Nifty 50 stocks or Bank Nifty stocks. Okay, the trend might change, and also they can take the stocks in sideways also. But anyway, I just took my exit when it came around 745. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book trade in today's trade of Axis Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us now. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos, a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to recover your losses from today and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.